stuffed cannelloni. This is so good. Your guests for Thanksgiving or Christmas, they're going to be begging you for this recipe. To start this in a pan on medium heat, add in your oil and aromatics. Saute until the ends of the onions start to turn slightly brown and it's translucent. Now we're going to go in with some finely diced or minced mushrooms and cook this until the mushrooms are tender, and don't add any salt at this step because the mushrooms will get very salty. You want to cook this on a medium-high heat. And here I'm adding in some shredded rotisserie chicken breast along with some seasoning powders, all-purpose seasoning, whatever you have on hand, and some chopped spinach. If you want to use chopped dasheen bush here, of course you can. Now I'm going to go in with ricotta cheese and mix well. Now once it's cooled down, that is, and set this aside. This filling is really good in puffs. So if you guys are making puffs this Christmas season, be sure to save this filling recipe. It's that good. Transfer that into a piping bag, and then next in a baking dish, add a thin layer of marinara sauce. Just use your favorite marinara sauce. And then we're going to now boil our cannelloni. I'm using Lucema Pasta cannelloni, and I'm going to be boiling my pasta for 3 minutes. You don't want to overboil the pasta because then it will start to get very soft and it will not be able to hold up to when it's time to pipe it. So to salted water, add in 1 packet of that Lucema Cannelloni Pasta and boil for 3 minutes. Now this is such an amazing recipe. It's great for if you're having a potluck. It's so delicious and it's such a crowd pleaser. Now once it's finished boiling, we're going to drain it and then start filling. I'm using a Ziploc bag here as I did not have a piping bag big enough to hold the filling. And a Ziploc bag is just perfect. So you want to press that filling into the cannelloni. Be careful, you don't want to rip it. And then place it onto the baking dish with the marinara. Then top with some more marinara. And then we'll top with cheese to finish. And then this bakes at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes until brown and bubbly and delicious. Once it's done, you can enjoy these immediately. They're so good. They smell heavenly. And that's it, an easy side dish for you all to try this Thanksgiving or Christmas. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to pick up your pack of Lucema Cannelloni Pasta to recreate this recipe. And if you do make it, tag me on Instagram and let me see. I'm going to enjoy mine now. Have a good one everyone, and see you in my next video. Bye.